This is your feeder and stock report for Monday, July 20th. The information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. Across the province on Friday, steers 900 plus 458 to 475, 8 to 900 503 to 513, 7 to 800 540 to 557, 6 to 700 595 to 665, 5 to 600 685 to 720. Heifers 900 plus 422 to 423, 8 to 900 455 to 476, 7 to 800 497 to 525, 6 to 700 560 to 568, 5 to 600 597 to 617. Alberta direct cattle sales Monday saw no new trade to report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes larger than the previous week. Despite weaker fed cattle prices over the past couple weeks, from a basis perspective, the market has been impressive, and it is a signal to keep selling cattle. Last week, Alberta fed prices were at a $4 premium against the U.S. market. This is not only the strongest basis seen this year, but for the middle of July, this is the second strongest basis on record. The only year that was stronger was back in 2018. In eastern Canada, there is some exciting news as a new federally inspected plant has come online. With the JBS plant in Sauderton closing down, a little extra hook space is positive to hear. Sounds like this plant in Ontario will process both lamb and cattle. In the U.S., there is no new trade to report, and significant trade could hold off until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out in the low 240s per hundredweight on a live basis. Show list volumes have been reported smaller in all major feeding areas. Based off the latest supply and demand report, U.S. beef production for 2026 was revised lower yet again and is now expected to be down 2.7%. Estimates are still conservative, given year-to-date beef production is down nearly 6%. For 2027, beef production was lowered 185 million pounds and is now expected to be down 0.5% compared to 2026. Larger broiler and pork production is expected for 2027. National bone cows averaged 333.05 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 71.17, down 12 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and Midwestern Trade, live cattle futures are as follows. August 227.05 up 52, October 223.67 up 37, December 223.62 up 62. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.